So peeps, another day, another PLC, and this time we're going to read it and fault find it. System fault. This can be a software fault or it could be a hardware fault with some of your components. DC5 feed, this is your supply voltage to CPU. Force, this means that something's being forced on your inputs or your outputs. Your run, obviously, goes no saying. This is meaning you're in run, and stop means you could have a fault on the system. As you can see, these also can be loaded up with SD cards. So peeps, we're on to the first module, and this will be in our analog, and it's got wired up PT100s, and they've kindly shown you how to wire them in. So what we want to do is we're going to test these. You take your wires out, check across the corresponding ones that you need to, check your resistance values, and then there are apps out there that will show you what you should have. Now if you wanted to check the HMI, put a 100 ohm resistor in, and that should show you exactly 0 volts. So we've got the second analog module. We've got a motorised valve feedback come on this, and then what we want to do is either check to see if it's 0 to 10 volts or 4 to 20 milliamps. We got 10 to 0 volts, and then what you want to do is check where the actual valve is and then see what kind of voltage you should be coming back. So then next we're going into your inputs. So this is nice and easy. You want to check your drawings to see what kind of voltages you want coming in. If you know you've got a known switch coming in and you've got your indicator on but you haven't got 24, that'll tell you something. Or if you haven't got your 24 light coming on, these are telltale signs. Because this is all kind of very first glance kind of looking at PLCs. There are very more ways of diagnosing faults. Now this is your output, so if you know a contactor should be coming on, what you can do is you can check to see if you've got your LED on or to see if you've got your 24 volt. That would be your second option. And obviously the schematics is what is up there. So you can see your lights are on because they're being told to be told. So this is an S7-300 Siemens, and that's not what you got on your salt boys. Now that's ledger approved.